Hi guys, let's do standing stitches today. Starting with a standing double crochet. Start with a slip knot on your hook. Then grab your work and insert your hook when needed. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through both loops on your hook. Carry on as required by the pattern. I'm going to do 2 more double crochet stitches here. As you can see, the standing stitch is pretty similar to the rest apart from the starting knot, which can be undone or concealed later on. Now on to the standing half treble. Start again with a slip knot on your hook and holding on to the knot, yarn over. Insert your hook in your work, pull up a loop, holding on to that knot, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on your hook. You can now carry on as stated in your pattern. I'm going to do 1 more half treble for the sake of comparison. Let's do a standing treble now. Slip knot on your hook, hold on to the knot, yarn over. Insert your hook into your work, yarn over, pull up a loop, still holding on to that knot, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through the last 2 hoops on your hook. You can now carry on as stated in your pattern. I'm doing another treble just to compare the 2, which as you can see are virtually identical apart from that starting knot. Let's try a standing treble decrease now. As always, start with a slip knot on your hook. Hold on to that knot so that it doesn't swivel around. Grab your work, yarn over, insert your hook into your work, pull up a loop, yarn over again, pull through the first 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, go into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over again, pull through the first 2 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all remaining loops on your hook. And that's it for this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Happy hooking everyone!